the rough early ladies, taken by Go Go Snake Go Snake Go, followed by Extra Extra, and Lexibon on the outside, Ilocos Magic, and moving up by the rail is Erica's Jump. And at the mid-back stretch, it is still entry number 2, Go Go Snake Go, followed by Lexibon on the outside, Erica's Jump moving up on the inside, Extra Extra, and Ilocos Magic. Rounding the far turn, it's still entry number 2, and that is Go Snake Go, followed by Lexibon on the outside, and moving up on the inside is Erica's Jump, Ilocos Magic, and Extra Extra. The last bend for home, it is still Go Snake Go, followed by Lexibon on the outside, and moving up on the inside, entry number 1 is Erica's Jump. At the top of the stretch, it is still Go Snake Go, followed by Lexibon on the outside. It is now Lexibon on the outside, followed by Go Snake Go, Erica's Jump, Ilocos Magic, and Extra Extra. And finally, at the payoff line, the outstanding favorite, Lexibon, Go Snake Go, Erica's Jump, Ilocos Magic, Extra Extra.
4 to 1.